Are you ready?
Hey, frogs.
Hey, folks. Hey, folks.
Hey, frogs.
Today we're going to look at the gas station Welly Buildable Player Big City Collection. That's a mouthful, isn't it? So many words. This car looks so cute and chunky. It's right up here. We're just going to open it from here. We're just going to open and take out everything. Show the camera what kind of car you have.
I have a red one.
Yeah, that is a Porsche 917 KH. I believe some people like to call it Porsche. I'm not too fussed about language. Doesn't look like we have any instructions. We have stickers and we have to build it. We have to connect this. So all three sides at least have these bumps and insides. So we can do it this way. Bless you. Or we can do it this way. So we just put it like that. And this way looks like the right way because the dotted line of the road goes that way. So we sorted that. And then these things are all snappable. Just twist, twist, twist. Now that looks like it goes on the roof. Like that. And then these two can go on this side. Whoa! Paige already knows how to play with it. This sign.
Papa.
Yeah, baby.
Look at that.
We don't have that piece of the road. So we're just going to stick it here for now. And we're going to put some stickers on it. What other piece do we have? We have the gas station door. I think we have to keep it. We are just going to leave it like this for now. Because we need to press this down here. We have a light pole. See, this is a light pole. You can keep it here. And then we can disconnect this guy. What is this guy? This is the vending machine.
Vending machine.
Yeah, we need a vending machine here. And when they say it's buildable, it means you can have a police station, fire station, fast food, auto watch, school, and gas station. So it comes with so many different things. Parking meter. This is going to be another road sign. This is going to be the fuel station. And the fuel station here, or maybe looking out of place there. And our last one is my favorite, bike rack, bike parking. Bike parking. And now Paige is going to do the stickers. We have the zebra crossing. Where with zebra crossing, you have to keep it here and here.
Zebra crossing.
And then another zebra crossing. Another zebra crossing next to it here. Sure, why not? I can only see one corner there which you can put grass on. So either we're missing some pieces or we can just put one corner. See this corner? This quarter you can put here for the grass. Yep. Well done. Give it a press, and then see it has a hole in there, so we can just poke this in there. See this yellow arrow?
Oh, I can
It
put
goes on this sign over here. Okay, and then we have this roundabout. You want to do the roundabout?
Yeah. Roundabout way.
Over there.
Round
And then
Roundabout.
we have these bottles which go over here on the vending machine. Oh, Tej, you are a genius. I would not have figured that out. These numbers
Where's the car?
will go here.
Where's the car?
Gas station. Good?
Yeah.
You can put this one on this side.
This one on this side.
And then this one on the other side. This side.
This side.
And final two. This one
This one where?
can go in front here.
In front. On here. On here.
And then this one here.
Oh, this one here.
And finally, this no smoking. I'm just going to chuck it behind here, just so we use all of the stickers. These extra stripes can just go anywhere. Now we're just sticking them everywhere. We call it tigra. We're doing the tigras.
How can put that?
You want to put it? 1 second, let me show you. Oh, we have a black sign. Where does the black sign go? Does it go on the car? Do any stickers go on the car? I don't know what that vent is and that extra garden patch. So we'll leave those. You want to stick this? Find these two holes and put them here. Push down. Yeah, good job. And this one here. This one here, fuel station here, lights there, car can go inside, and there we go, that's it, we are done. See you in the next one. See you in the next one.